He's gonna do it.
Okay.
He's gonna do
We're
it.
gonna grab the string and we're going to turn off the light. Okay?
No! Safe.
Fail.
Okay.
I think I broke my leg.
Let
Okay,
me
1 second.
On this side.
Wait, I need to do it one more time because I gotta turn on the light.
Okay. Okay.
It's easy.
Turn it off.
You have to turn it on so then you can turn it off once you jump over.
Okay. Congratulations.